Welcome to Home Depot in Vancouver. In this video, we'll take you through a detailed walking tour of the store, highlighting the wide array of departments and essential products. Whether you're planning a DIY project, renovating your home, or looking for seasonal decor, this location has something for everyone. Let's get started. Garden Center. Our first stop is the Garden Center, where you can find everything from seasonal plants and flowers to outdoor furniture and gardening tools. It's the ideal place to start for those with a green thumb or anyone looking to refresh their outdoor space. We'll visit the lighting and electrical sections, offering a huge range of fixtures, bulbs, and smart home accessories. From classic chandeliers to modern LED lighting, this section covers every lighting need you can think of. The bath section includes bathtubs, showers, and all the essentials for creating a spa-like retreat at home. We have the kitchen and bath areas, filled with sinks, faucets, and beautiful cabinetry options. Here, you'll also find appliances like dishwashers and microwaves, making it easy to give your kitchen a complete upgrade. Home Depot also has an impressive collection of windows, doors, and blinds. From energy-efficient windows to durable entry doors, there's a wide variety of options to fit any style or budget. And don't forget the customizable blinds section, perfect for getting that tailored look for your home. Building materials. For those diving into larger home improvement projects, the building materials section has all your essentials, from lumber and drywall to decking materials and roofing supplies. This is the go-to spot for professional contractors and DIY builders alike. The rental section provides equipment rentals, offering the perfect solution for short-term needs. In the plumbing and HVAC sections, find pipes, fittings, and air conditioning systems for those essential upgrades. The paint center is where you can explore a rainbow of colors, sample swatches, and consult experts. Whether you're painting a single room or your entire house, this section offers every color, brush, and tool you'll need. Next up is the tools and fasteners area, which includes everything from power tools to nuts and bolts. There's also a key center here, offering quick key duplication and specialty key services. That's our tour of Home Depot in Vancouver. Thanks for joining us as we explored this vast store and all it has to offer. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment about your favorite sections or items you'd like to see next. Happy building, and see you in the next video.